Welcome to Employment and Education News. This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Constable, carpenter, blacksmith, driver, tailor, gardener, cobbler, veterinary, painter, washerman, barber, safai wala, cook and water carrier post vacancy in Sasastra Seema Bal. Eligibility 10th ITI. Age limit between 18 to 23 years for constable, tailor, gardener, cobbler, washerman, barber, safai wala, cook and water carrier. 18 to 25 years for constable, carpenter, blacksmith, veterinary, painter, and 21 to 27 years for constable, driver. Last date for application 18 June 2023. 40 Assistant Sub Inspector Stenographer post vacancy in Sasastra Seema Bal. Eligibility 12th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 18 June 2023. Salary as per pay level 5. 535 Executive and Junior Executive post vacancy in Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility ITI, Diploma in Engineering, Graduation, BBA, BMS, BCA. Age limit maximum 30 years. Apply between 20 May 2023 and 19 June 2023. Application fees Rs 1000. 15 Head Constable Electrician, 296 Head Constable Mechanic, 2 Head Constable Steward, 23 Head Constable Veterinary, 578 Head Constable Communication post vacancy in Sasastra Seema Bal. Eligibility ITI 12th and Diploma in Engineering having driving license, Diploma or Certificate in Catering Kitchen Management, 12th Science and Diploma in Veterinary and Livestock Development or Veterinary Stock Assistant course or Animal Husbandry, Diploma in Electronics or Communication or Computer Science or Information Technology. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 18 June 2023. Sub-Inspector, Pioneer, Draftsman, Communication, Staff Nurse post vacancy in Sasastra Seema Bal. Eligibility ITI, 12th Science and Diploma in Nursing, Degree or Diploma in Civil Engineering, Degree in Electronics and Communication or Computer Science or Information Technology Engineering, Science with Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 18 June 2023. 40 Assistant Sub-Inspector Pharmacist, Radiographer, Operation Theatre Technician, Dental Technician post vacancy in Sasastra Seema Bal. Eligibility Degree or Diploma in Pharmacy, Diploma in Radio Diagnosis, Operation Theatre Technician, Dental Hygienist. Age limit between 20 to 30 years. Last date for application 18 June 2023. Salary as per pay level 5. Assistant Manager post vacancy in Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. Eligibility Degree in Engineering, Chartered Accountant, Cost and Management Accountant. Age limit maximum 28 years. Last date for application 6 June 2023. Engineer, Senior Engineer, Deputy Manager, Executive, Senior Executive post vacancy in TSDC India Limited. Eligibility Diploma in Hotel Management and Catering, BE or BTech, Master of Arts in Rural Development or Master of Arts in Social Work with experience. Age limit maximum 32 years for Engineer and Executive, 40 years for Senior Engineer and Senior Executive, 45 years for Deputy Manager. Last date for application 6 June 2023. Walk-in interview in Defense Research and Development Establishment for the post of Junior Research Fellowship with own fellowship. Eligibility MSc in Biological stream in Life Science, Zoology, Biotechnology, Molecular Biology, Microbiology, Pharmacology, Toxicology, Immunology with NET or GATE. MSc in Chemistry, Physical, Analytical, Organic, Inorganic with NET or GATE. Age limit maximum 28 years. Date of interview 13 June 2023 for Junior Research Fellowship and 14 June 2023 for Junior Research Fellowship with own fellowship. Thanks for watching till the end.